Welcome, today in front of me Honor 20E, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings and then tap on the sound section. Here, as can you see, we got the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your ringtone, swipe this blue dot to the left side with your finger. Also, we can make it by the second way, but first be sure that here in the default volume button control, you got selected the ringtone volume, not media volume. And now just you can mute your ringtone by press here on the right side of your device on the down volume button. And as can you see, by this way we can mute our ringtone. Here just you can also make it by the second way, just press to one from these volume buttons and swipe with your finger this volume panel down. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.